Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a health kit and space in a quick use slot, open inventory and assign it to slot 1 or a visible hotbar. Once done, position behind cover and tap the use button to begin. You should see the healing animation and a countdown. Make sure you're not taking damage during the full use time because interruption cancels it. If you need mobility, swap to a throwable for reaction before healing finishes. Once you're mid-combat, prioritize immediate cover and start the health kit use. You want to crouch or go prone to reduce exposure. While healing, keep an eye on the HP bar and the kit's progress. This tells you whether the action will finish or get interrupted. If enemies close in, deploy a smoke or stun to buy seconds and finish the kit. Also, make sure to switch to a weapon ready to fire as soon as the animation ends to counterattack quickly. You complete the process by confirming your HP has risen and the health kit is consumed, then reposition and check surroundings. If the use is interrupted, pause, move to safer cover, and reapply immediately. Don't rush into open areas. If the kit won't activate or the animation freezes, restart the game or clear temporary cache. This often fixes minor glitches. Finally, if problems persist, switch to a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.